The below accessories are required: a crankset, middle axle tool, cycle chain, chain tension gear, assist sensor, pedal, chain adjuster. First, remove the pedals on both sides. And loosen the screws on both sides. Then take out the pedals. Remove the rubber stoppers on both sides. Then, install the central shaft on the right side. Turn it counterclockwise twice by hand first. Tighten it with a tool. The left side is clockwise. Tighten it with a tool. Then remove the left cover plate. And find the sensor connector. To tie the joint with thin iron wire, pass the other end through the pipe opening. Pass it through the pipe opening below. Pull the iron wire slowly. Remove the connector. Find the sensor connector from inside the pipeline. Align the arrow with the arrow and connect the sensor. Insert the sensor onto the central axis and press it down. Remember to collate wiring harness. Avoid waiting for the lower cover. To press on the wiring harness, install the upper cover. Install the screws and don't tighten them for now. Finally, to tighten the screws, install the crank on the left side. Grasp the crank and tighten it with screws. Put the crankset on the right side. The direction is opposite to the left. Grasp the crank and tighten it with screws. Remove the motor screws on both sides. Install the tension wheel and tighten the screws. Hang the chain. Connect the chain. Install the clamp. Tighten it with pliers. Fasten the tension wheel. Install the chain adjuster. Turn the screw to adjust. Adjust the chain to float up and down by about 1 cm. After the tires are aligned with the frame, tighten the motor screws on both sides. Install the anti-rotation plate. Also the gaskets. Tighten the screws. Install the footrest. The L is on the left. Tighten counterclockwise with a no 15 wrench. The R is on the right. Tighten clockwise. Good job, you finished the installation.